Yeah, y'all tell me what you would do here. There's about 3 legal bulls and a couple of spikes in there. I've been busted. The wind's at my back blowing right at them. I've tried bugling, I've tried cow calling. But they don't seem to want to do anything other than just group up right there. So maybe somebody can tell me what I should do right about now, other than go home and get the rifle instead of that. They're about 600 yards away. And as if my rangefinder is accurate, they're bouncing anywhere between 590 and 610. That's what I'm getting on the rangefinder. But yeah, it's fun, even if I don't kill anything. How often you get to get this close to a herd of elk in the wide open prairie with no cover, no trees, no boulders, no nothing, just wide open grassland. I think I've done pretty good sneaking up within 600 yards of them. Of course, I cheated and used the fence row. It's all fun, man. That's what it's about. Can't kill every time.